All right, in this video, we'll take a look at the 3D model builder. So we've created our artwork here in Inkscape. So we create an SVG file, and then we can drag and drop that SVG file into the model builder here. And it will go ahead and create us a model that we can then come over here to Bamboo here. And let's go ahead and open up that model. So that's the model that was generated for us. And there you go. She is ready to print. This is just a little notebook cover. So we'll go ahead and slice it. And just that quickly, you've got your finished print ready to go. So it doesn't need to be complicated. We're trying to make your life easier. So the model builder will be tied to your existing Patreon membership, so there's nothing to buy. As long as you're an existing Patreon member, it will be included. If you want information on our Patreon, it is available in the video description. So all of our Patreon members will get the model builder just as soon as it's available for the public. But I just want to give you some little teasers here on what's happening here. Now, in the future, we probably will have an upgraded tier that will include all of our automation tools for Blender and Inkscape as well. But I just wanted to show you the future is close. It's going to be so much easier to generate your 3D models now very quickly and easily with the STL 3D model builder. If you have any questions or need one-on-one training or some custom files made for you, this is my contact information, so feel free to reach out via email. You can text me. You could even give me a call. I'd be happy to answer questions or give you more details on the one-on-one training we offer, and as well as if you need custom files made until you are up to speed on how to make them yourself, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to help you with that as well.